everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download OnlyFans application on your Android device. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download OnlyFans application for your Android, then the process is quite simple. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data and tap open your Play Store. Go to the search box appearing at the top and type in OnlyFans in the search box. Once you find the application that says OFTV, tap on the install button in order to download the application. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android device, which is a quick process if you have a stable internet connection. Once the application is done installing, and if it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right underneath the app, which means your application is ready for use. Tap on open in order to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download OnlyFans application for your Android device. OnlyFans is an online platform and people can pay for content via a monthly membership. The contents are mainly created by YouTubers, fitness trainers, models, content creators, and public figures. That is how you can easily download OnlyFans application for your Android phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.